Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Temu minimum spend limit. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Temu enforces a minimum purchase requirement, typically ranging from $35 to $45, which can be restrictive for users wishing to make smaller purchases. And they do this for a few different ways. So the first way is to cover operational costs, so ensuring that expenses related to payment, processing, packaging, and fulfillment are met, and also promote sustainable shipping. So there are a few different workarounds what we can do. So the first workaround is to add items to your cart to meet the minimum spend requirement, then proceed with a purchase. After completing the order, promptly cancel the items you do not wish to purchase. This approach may allow you to retain the desired items without adhering to the minimum spend. And the second method is to reach out to Temu's customer support. So from here, just click on the U button on the bottom of the page here, and then we want to go ahead and click onto the headphone or the headphone sign on the top right hand corner. Now this is going to send you to support, and then click onto order issues, click onto contact us at the bottom of the page. And from here, just say, hey, can you please remove the minimum spend amount on my purchase, and just go through the process and they should help you out.